Right. Good afternoon today. Now we are in the lesson. Which lesson? Fifth lesson, no? Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Our lesson is algebraic expressions. Last day we discussed that how to obtain the product of the two binomial expressions. The product of the two binomial expressions. Right? Now you know the method. First of all, I'm going to discuss another example of exercise 5.2. Right? I think I asked you to complete this exercise also. Now, exercise 5.2. Now I take this part H. Question number 3, exercise 5.3, question number 3, part H. Y minus 2, y minus 5. This bracket and this bracket, two binomial expressions are there. Now we are going to find out product of it. Make a binomial expressions. Binomial expression mean expression with two terms. 1, 2, 1, 2. This one, 2, this one, 2. There are two terms in this one and these two terms in this one. Right. We will see. We know the method. What is the method? This term multiplied with these two terms. Y times y minus 5. Y times y minus 5. Right. පුතේ මම අද අට මේක මේ රෙකෝඩ් එකක් දානවා හේතුව දැන් ඔයාලට සිග්නල් නැති වෙලා කට් වුණොත් එහෙම මට මේක YouTube අප්ලෝඩ් කරලා ඔයාලට දෙන්න පුළුවන් link එකක්. That's why I'm going to record this one. ඔයාලට සිග්නල් නැතිලා සමහරවල්ලාට එන්න බැරි වුණොත් පාඩම මම දන්නේ නැතුව මෙහෙ ගන්නවොත් ඔයාලට නැවත මම link එක දෙන්නම් ඊට බලා ගන්න YouTube upload කරලා. Right? That's why I put this record y times y minus 5. Y times y minus 5. Again, minus 2 times this bracket. You know the method now. Y times this bracket, we wrote it, and minus 2 times this bracket, y minus 5. Last day, we discussed this part, no? This y with this term, after that y with this term, that is this part. Y made in the multiplied in the part. Minus 2 times y and minus 2 times minus 5, this part. Right, we will see now. Without y times y. Y get multiplied. We know that 2 times 2, we call 2 squared. Index form, index notation. That's why, that manner, y times y mean y squared. Y squared. Y times 5 minus 5y. Minus 2 times y minus 2y. Minus 2 times minus 5 minus 2 times minus 5. You know that minus times minus plus. Chart take minus plus minus and minus times plus minus. Always equal sign mean in multiplication plus. Minus 2 times minus 5, 2 times 5, 10. Now you can see these two are like terms. Like terms mean, last day also I told that like terms. Like terms can count. Like terms mean terms with same unknown term. Ekama unknown term එක තියෙන terms වලට. Without y and y, same unknown term, then we can simplify them. Only we can't simplify without y squared with y, because y squared means another unknown term, right? That is not equal to y. Without minus 5y minus 2y, both are minus. Simplification, not multiplication now. Then make adu කිරීමක් වුණා. This is not a multiplication. The multiplication එකේ minus plus වෙනවනේ. In this one, minus both minus mean පුතා, we can add these two, 5 times 2, 7, minus then both minus mean minus 7y plus 10, right? If you couldn't able to complete this one, to complete this answer, please take down this one also as example. This is the exercise 5.2 question number 3H. ඔයාට මේක හදාගන්න බැරුණා නම් try කරාම දැන් ලියා ගන්න. Please write down. Right, okay. Now, the same exercise, I'm going to discuss another question. බලන්න මෙන්න මෙතන. The last day did we discuss part KL? L එක කරාද? Last one, last question of the question number 3, did we discuss it or not? කරාද නැද්ද ඒක? That is very important one. That's why I'm going to discuss it. Tell me, මේ තුන්වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ අන්තිම එක කරාද? Part L. කරා නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. No. Then I think nah. Then I'm going to discuss it. 2 minus x, 3 minus x. But you know that this 2 with this bracket first of all, no? 2 times 3 minus 6. But this value plus, make a plus one. That's why there's no sign. That's why. That's the reason. No sign mean plus always. Second term, this one minus 6. Minus x times 3 minus x. Same bracket, first term, second term with sign. That's all. You can write this one. After that, we will see multiplication. 2 times 3, medina multiplied, you know. They were up to high. 2 times x minus 2x minus x times 3 minus 3x minus x times minus x. Minus what happened? Minus plus, you know. Minus plus. X times x squared. X times x minus plus, right? Plus x squared. Right. 6 minus 2x minus 3x, just like simplification, subtraction, just like minus 2 minus 3x. So then same sign mean we can add 2 plus 3 5x minus then we can put minus plus x squared. This is the final answer. There are 3 terms in the answer. What are they? 6 one term, 5x at the minus 5x another term, x squared another term. I take down it also. After completing, please raise hand, then I can continue the lesson without wasting time. Okay. Right. Question number 4. Join each of the expressions in column A with the corresponding simplified expression in the column B. Very easy one. The column A and column B. There are two columns. We have to simplify column A first one. X plus 2 x plus 1. First of all, this is column A, first one. Now you have to simplify this one. Separate place you can simplify. When x times x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 1. X squared 1 times x plus 6, 2 times x plus 2x plus 2. 2 times 1, 2. X squared plus 3x plus 2 is the answer. Now you have to find out this answer from column B. Column B. So you have to find out this. You have to simplify this one in another place. When simplify answer. Now you can see this answer in second last of the column B. Then you can join this method. This part you have to write in another separate place. Separate paper you have to write. Pada වෙන කොලයක සුළු කරලා මේ answer ගන්න වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ මේක තමයි ගැලපෙන එක. Then you can join. That manner, please complete another 4 product of two binomial expressions are in the column A. Then you can find out answers from column B. Right? Then I'm not going to discuss all the things. That manner you can join them. Right. But I'm going to discuss the which one? Fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one, there are two Roman numbers. Roman ඉලක්කම් දෙකක් තියෙනවා ප්‍රශ්නේ. Verify that. Verify that means, what is mean by verify? Verify means, I can explain. You have to prove that. You have to prove that. You have to, in Sinhala we call ඔප්පු කරන්න ඕනි. Verify කියන්නේ ඔප්පු කරන්න ඕනි. You have to prove that. You have to prove that. මොකක්ද prove කරන්න ඕනි? X plus 5 times x plus 6 equal to x squared plus 11x plus 30 for each instance given below. මේ පහලින් දීලා තියෙන instance දෙකටම. First instance, what is the first one? X equal 3. Second instance, x equal minus 2. ඉතින් අපිට කියන්නේ මේකට සමානයි කියලා පෙන්නන්න. We have to prove, show that this product of two binomial expression equal to this one for these two instances. I take this instance first. Puta, you know that this is my which hand? This is my right hand, no? Right hand, left hand. Then the right hand side part, I take it as RHS. මේක තමයි RHS. ඒ කියන්නේ right hand side එකේ තියෙන මේක. This one. මේ තමයි වම් පැත්තේ left hand side කියනවා. වම් අත පැත්ත. Right hand side, left hand side. First of all, I take this left hand side one. Left hand side. බලන්න left hand side එකේ මොකද පුතේ තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේක නේද? This one. IIT x plus 5 x plus 6. Right. Now puta Roman number 1 x equal 3. Now you have to take x as 3. X as 3. Then මේ පැත්ත ගත්තා. ඒ පැත්තේ දාගත්තේ නම් මොකද? LHS කියලා. يعني මේ පැත්ත ගත්තා කියන අදහස නෑ. LHS left hand side එකේ තියෙන එක ගත්තා. දැන් අපි ඒකට x තියෙන තැනට 3 දාගෙන යනවා. In this place x is there. You can see 3x. Then I can put 3 plus 5. Again x is there. 3 plus 6. Put up 3 plus 5. What is the value? 8. You know that between these two brackets, you know that multiplication is there. මේ වරහන් දෙක අතර පුතේ ගුණ කිරීමක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. 3 plus 6 9. 8 times 9. 9 times 8. What is the answer? අතවරන්න මේ කීයද? 72. පුතා I obtain 72 for left hand side. ඔන්න මේ වම් පැත්ත ඒ කෑල්ල අරගෙන මේක අරගෙන එක්ස්ට්‍රා 3 දැම්මහම මට ආවේ ආන්සර් මොකද 72. දැන් මම ගන්නවා පුතේ right hand side එකේ ඉතින් මේ කෑල්ල දැන් ගන්න. right hand side. වම් මේ කියන්නේ දකුණු පැත්තේ කොටස කියන එක තමයි right hand side කියන්නේ. What is the right hand side one? මේ තියෙන්නේ x squared plus 11x plus 30. x squared plus 11x plus 30. x squared plus 11x plus 30. Right? So in this part also, I should substitute x as 3. In this place, x is there. X squared means 3 squared plus 11 times 3 plus 30. So the 3 squared mean, what is mean by 3 squared? 3 dala udin 2 දැම්මහම කියනවා පුතේ අපි in Sinhala we call power not බලය දෙක නැත්නම් index එක දෙක. That means පුතා 3 squared mean මේ 3 squared කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? 3 times 3. You know that grade 7 knowledge. Sorry, grade 6 knowledge. 9. 3 times 3 9. This one 9 plus 11 times 3 33 plus 30. Please add them. 30 plus 33 63 63 plus 9 72. බලන්න පුතේ දැන් මේ පැත්ත LHS එක අරගෙන මේ පැත්ත අරගෙන 3 දැම්මහම මොකක්ද ආන්සර් එක 72. මේ පැත්ත වෙනම ගත්තා ඒ පැත්තට 3 දැම්මහම x ට 72. We obtain same answer for both left hand side and right hand side. That means the left hand side equal to right hand side. We can prove that method. We prove that one. Right? අන්න එක තමයි පුතේ ක්‍රමය. prove කරන්න කිව්වොත් නැත්නම් verify කරන්න ඕනේ කිව්වොත් verify this expression the instant x equal 3 you can take left hand side this manner and you can substitute x as 3 as well as you can take right hand side you can substitute x as 3 and you can obtain answer. If you obtain same answer බලන්න මෙතනත් 72 ආවා මෙතනත් 72 ආවා. If you obtain same answer පුතා you can say that this is verified. This is verified. මේක verify වෙනවා. හරිනේ? ඇත්තට මේ පැත්තට සමානයිනේ. ඇයි 72යි 72යි යනවා. Right, take down it now. Puta, Roman number 2 also there in that question. Roman number 2 also there. Roman, what is the Roman number 2? Roman number 2 x equal minus 2. දැන් මේ ඊළඟ කෙදි කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ Roman number 2 වලදී x වෙනුවට දැන් ගත්තේ 3නේ. ඊට පස්සේ දාන්න ඕනේ x වෙනුවට minus 2. You can take my x value as minus 2 because that is given as minus 2 in second instance. Second one. Second instance. You can see x value is given as minus 2. Then same manner you can substitute x as minus 2. මේ විදිහටම දැන් මේකෙදි x ඉන් දැන් 3 දාලා හැදුවේ. අරකෙදි minus 2 දාලා ආයෙ හදන්න ඕනේ. එතකොටත් පුතේ if you obtain same answer එහෙම minus 2 දැම්මහමත් එකම answer එක එනවා නම් you can say that this side equal to this one. That means finally if you want you can write this manner also. මේ පැත්තට සමාන නම් පුතේ අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් this x plus 5 times x plus 6 exactly totally equal to x squared plus 11x plus 30. That is verified. Right. right? Okay, that is complete. Now the same question part 2. Roman number 2, you have to take x value as minus 2. Then make ප්‍රශ්නයෙන් පුතේ මේ ප්‍රශ්නේම Roman number 2 වල තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is that? You have to take x value as minus 2 නේද? X equal minus 2, that is Roman number 2. දැන් ඔයා ගන්න ඕනේ x කියලාද minus 2 කියලා. Same manner, same process you can follow for this one also. පුතා, you can take this side. මේ පැත්ත ගන්නවා. left hand side එක ගන්නවා. Equal x plus 5, x plus 6. Now our x value is minus 2. Then පුතේ තියෙන්නේ x තියෙන තැන් වලට මොකද දාන්නේ? minus 2. You can substitute x as minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 5 mean the different signs. Minus 2 plus 5. Different signs mean different signs mean minus 2 plus 5 mean different signs නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? We have to take difference of them. 2 minus 2 plus 5 mean higher value 5. 5 minus 2 3. Higher value sign is plus 3. Now this part plus 3 times bracket mean the multiplication. Minus 2 plus 6 mean difference of them 4. Higher value plus 3 times plus 4 altogether plus 2a. We obtain left hand side value as plus 2a. Right. Now we will take right hand side. Right hand side equal x squared plus 11x plus 30. Now our x value is minus 2. Minus 2 squared. पता බලන්න minus 2 squared mean minus 2 times minus 2. Squared එක කියන්නේ නැත්නම් වර්ගය කියන්නේ එයා එයාගෙන් multiplied වෙනවා. එහෙනම් minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. 2 times 2 4 minus minus plus, that means right. Okay, 11 times minus 2 plus 30. Minus 2 times minus 2 squared mean plus 4. Make a plus 4 now. 11 times 2. 11 times 2. 11 times 2, what is the value? 22, but minus 22 plus 30. Okay, right. Now balanna. Plus 4 plus 30 all together plus 34 minus 22 mean plus 12. Plus 12. This $4 that means plus 12. This one plus no 34 plus May 4 May 30 34. 34 minus 22 12. So now again 12 and 12. You obtain same answer for both left hand side and right hand side. That means left hand side totally equal to right hand side. That means the x plus 5 times x plus 6 totally equal to x squared plus 11x plus 30. Right. Okay, take down it now. Roman number 2 වල හදන්න ඕනේ x වෙනකොට minus 2 දාලා. එතකොටත් පුතේ plus 12 කියලා මේ අනිත් පැත්තටත් plus 12 කියලා. දෙපැත්ත ගත්තේ මෙයයි දෙපැත්ත. වෙනම substitute කරලා values ගත්තා. plus 12 plus 12, that means left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Now I am going to clean this one. Right. Now turn page number 68. බලන්න පුතේ 68 පිටුවේ same exercise question number 6. 6 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්න බලන්න. Verify that x minus 2 times x plus 3 equal x squared plus x minus 6 for each instance given below. ආයෙත් පුතේ කියනවා verify කරන්න කියලා. මේ first roman number 1 x equal 1. එතකොට පුතේ මේකේ අරගෙන මේ brackets දෙක අරගෙන x එක දාලා left hand side එකේ value එක ගන්න. අනිත් පැත්තේ right hand side එකටත් x තියෙන තැනට එක දාලා value එක ගන්න. මේ දෙක සමාන වුණොත් verify වෙනවා. If you obtain different answers, that is not verified. ඔයාලට පුතේ එක පැත්තක 50 ඇවිල්ලා අනිත් පැත්තේ වෙන උත්තරයක් ආවොත් verified සමාන උත්තර නෙවෙයිනේ. Different answers mean that is not verified. අපි ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා verify වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. සමාන answer එක ආවොත් verify වෙනවා. That is verified. Okay. Now please complete other remaining questions 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and miscellaneous exercise of the 5th lesson. පස්වෙනි පාඩමේ ඉතුරු ප්‍රශ්න ටිකයි මිශ්‍ර අභ්‍යාසය. Miscellaneous exercise mean මිශ්‍ර අභ්‍යාසය ටිකයි කරන්න. Now today I am going to start lesson unit 6th lesson. 6th lesson. Lesson number 6. What is the main topic? Factors of algebraic expressions. Page number 69. I am going to start it now. Okay, write down main topic as factors of algebraic expressions. ප්‍රධාන මාතෘකාව පුතේ factors of algebraic expressions. Lesson number 6. Factors of algebraic expressions. Factors of algebraic expressions. Algebraic. Right? Please look at the board. If I take this one, 5xy. This is one term. This one term. 5xy mean one term. One term. එක පදයක් මේක. 5xy. Why I say this one as one term? Because there are no addition or subtraction. එකතු කිරීමක් අඩු කිරීමක් නැත්නම් පුතේ මේක තනි term එකක්. Only multiplication is there. This term is formed. Is formed. මේක formed වෙලා ඉන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතේ? Formed කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. Formed. This is formed by the product. The product of the 5, x and y. මේ පහ කියන එකයි x කියන එක නයි y කියන එක නයි multiplied වෙලා තමයි පුතේ 5xy කියන එක හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. 5 times x times y. මේ තුන් දෙනා multiplied වෙලා product එක තමයි 5xy කියලා ඉන්නේ. Right? 5xy is formed by the product of 5 comma x and y. Right? Then we consider, I think then we can say that therefore 5 comma x and y are the factors of 5xy. Therefore 5 comma x and y are the factors of 5xy. එනම් පුතේ මේ 5xy ගේ factors කවුද? සාධක. 5xy 5යි x උයි y තුන් දෙනාම පුතේ සාධක කියන්නේ you if I take this one 6 I can write 6 පුතා this many 2 times 3 product is there product of two values 6 is something that means 2 and 3 are the factors of 6 දෙකයි තුනයි දෙන්නම් පුතේ 6 සාධක වෙනවා factors වෙනවා. Now I think you can identify the what is mean by factors. Then 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. දෙකයි තුනයි දෙන්නම 6 සාධක වෙනවා. That manner 5xy equal to 5 times x times y no. That means 5xy multiplication no 5xy that 3 are the factors of 5xy. එහෙනම් 5xy ගේ සාධක වෙන්නේ කවුද? 5x 5 and 5 x and y not comma. Right, factors of algebraic expressions. And write down this sentence. 5xy is formed by the product of the product of 5 x and y. Therefore 5x and y are the factors of 5xy. Write down it. Right, okay. Now Buddha, we will consider this one take please Roman number 1. Now Roman number 2, I take this one 5x plus 5y. Buddha, now in this is not a term, this one algebraic expression. Why is that? Two terms are there. What are the 5x one term, 5y another term, plus තිබ්බොත් පුතේ terms වලට separate වෙනවා. Only one plus mean there are two terms. Now if I consider this term separately 5x විතරක් ගන්න කොහොමද හැදලා තියෙන්නේ 5 times x විදියට. And if I take this one 5y also පුතා 5 times x. When we 5 times y yeah 5x හැදලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද 5 times x 5y හැදලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද 5 times y. Now you can see these two have common factor. මේ දෙන්නටම common කෙනෙක් ඉන්නව නේද? කවුද? 5. Common කෙනෙක් හිටියොත් පුතේ. If these two or more terms have a common factor, we can factor in out. මෙයාටත් පහ ඉන්නවා මෙයාටත් පහ ඉන්නවනේ. ඒ අවස්ථාවේ අපිට පහ එලියට අරගෙන x + y කියලා බ්‍රැකට් එකක් අස්සේ ඉතුරු ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මේකේ පහ එලියට ගත්තොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? x විතරයි ඉතුරු වෙනා ලියමු බ්‍රැකට් එක අස්සේ. මේකේ පහ එලියට ගත්තොත් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? y විතරයි. This is we call Buddha factorizing. That means Buddha 5 times x plus y. That means Buddha I can write this manner 5 and x plus y are the factors of 5x plus 5y. එහෙනම් පුතේ මේකේ මෙයාටයි මෙයාට දෙන්නම පහ පොදුයි නම් පහ එළියට ගත්තාම 5 times x plus y කියනවා bracket times 5. Then 5 one factor of this one x plus y another factor of this one. Right. Take down Roman number 2 now. Right, okay. Right, we will see another one. 7a minus 7b. Then පුතේ මේකෙත් 7 ඉන්නවා. මේක මොකද්ද මේ 7a කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? 7 times a නේද? 7a ලිව්වොත් we can write 7 times a කියන්නේ 7යි a කියන්නේ 7 වරක් a කියන එකනේ. 7b mean 7 times b. This one also have 7. This one also. This one have 7. That one also have 7. මෙයාටත් 7 ඉන්නවා. මෙයාටත් 7 ඉන්නවා නම් then we can factor in out 7. 7 එළියට ගන්නවා. Within bracket I can write if I take 7 from this one, what is the remaining value? A. If I take this 7, minus is remaining. Minus b. Make it 7 පොදුයි මේකෙත් පුළුවන් 7 එළියට අරගෙන bracket එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. We call this is factorization. Factorizing. Right? Grade 8 knowledge. This part belongs to grade 8. Right? I take down this one as Roman number 3. Right, finished. Press entries. Right, now we will take this one. 2x plus 4. In this one, are there any common factor? Make පුතේ මේ වගේ එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේකටත් 7 හිටියා මේකටත් 7 හිටියා. When we consider about this one, there are two terms, no? Can we factor in out any value from this one? Are there any common term for both? මේක පුතේ මේකටයි 7 පොදු වුණානේ. මේකේ තියෙනවද එහෙම එක්කෙනෙක්? තියෙනවද නැද්ද? Yes or no? Yes නම් y, no නම් n දාන්න බලන්න chat box එකේ. Yes නම් y, no නම් n. I need your idea. Can we fact දැන් මේකේ 7 එළියට ගත්තානේ මේ වරහණෙන් එළියට. ඒ වගේ මේකේ මොකක් හරි එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? Yes or no කියලා ආන්සර් එක දෙන්න. Yes ද no ද? Yes or no? Are there any common factor for both? Right, we will see. Now බලන්න ඕකේන. පුතා 2x mean මොකද්ද? Yes. Yes. What is the value, that value, right? Yes, your answer is enough. Up to now, that is okay. Right, you can see බලන්න. 2 times x නේ මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ 2 times x. This one 4 mean I can write. 4 නේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. 4 I can arrange this manner. 2 times 2. Right? Now in this one 7 7 both have. Now in this one 2 and 2. මේ දෙන්නට 2 තියෙනවා. මට 4 ලියන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ 4 times 2 times 2 විදිහට. Now I can take 2. දෙක එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. 2 ගත්තාම මෙතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද? x. If I take 2 from 4. 4ෙන් දෙකක් එළියට ගත්තා නම් පුතේ තව දෙකක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා. Plus 2. Right, we will try to remove the bracket I. අනිත් පැත්තට කරමු බලන්න. 2 times x 2x. 2 times 4. 2 times 2 4. මේක වෙනව නේද? If I remove in bracket again, We can obtain this answer again. 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 2, 4. We obtain same one. Right, take down it as fourth one. Fifth one. (3a minus 12). Now can you factorize this one? What is the take-in value? Take-in, what is the take-in value? Yes, we can take 3. Very good. May 3 times a. This one 12, I can write this manner. 3 times 4. Now both have 3. So in your right question paper, no need to write this part. No, no need. Right. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times a 3. Then I can take this one have 3. This one also have 3. Then I take 3. Making 3 gatana put only a. 12. If I take minus middle sign minus, I have to put it. The sign make a minus. 3 times 4 no. 12 mean I can, if I take 3, remaining value is 4. If I factor in out again, 3, removing bracket again, you can obtain 3 times a 3a, 3 times minus 4 minus 2. And if I growth, make it. Right. That is fifth one. Now you can see this one. 6x minus, sorry, plus 8. 6x plus 8. Can we take any value from these two terms? Are there any common factor for both two terms? What are the two terms? 6x one term, 8 another term. What is that? If there's any value, common value, please tell me what is that value. Value. What is that value? Value got can we take any value from these two terms as a common factor? Yes or no? You answer. Yes, now. Why? No, no. Yes, your answer is no. That means we can't take any value from these two. Your idea is that one, no? Why is that? 6 and 8. Puta, actually we can take. I can explain this man. Puta, 6x means 6 times x. I mean, 6 times x, no? Again, Puta, I can write this 6. This man, which man? 2 times 3. Puta, mara hayat liyan prone devarat 2 times 3. 2 times 3 times x. Now, hayat liyan devarat tummarak x vidiya. If I consider about 8, I can write 2 times 4. Right? Yeah. This one also have 2. This one also have 2. We can factor in out 2. 2. If I take 2, what is the remaining part? 3x. Within bracket 3x. If I take 2 from this one, I put 8 kiyanne 2 times 4 ni. Enang 4 metani mithuwa. No balanna. I will 2 times 3x 6x. 2 times 4 8. බලන්න මෙයාටත් පුතේ 6 කියන එක දෙකෙන් බෙදෙනවා. 8 කියන එකත් දෙකෙන් බෙදෙනවා. එහෙනම් අපි මේ දෙක එළියට ගත්තා. එහෙනම් 6x වලින් දෙකක් එළියට ගත්තා නම් පුතේ 3x වෙන්න ඕනේ. Because when we are multiplying it, that should be 6x. ආය අනිත් පැත්තට multiply කරනවා 2 times 3x 6x. 2 times 4 8. That means we can take value from this one also. Okay. I think you can understand it. බලන්න මෙයයි දෙන්නටම පුතේ දෙක පොදුයි මේ 3 වරක් දෙවරක් 3 දෙවරක් 4. එහෙනම් දෙක දෙන්නටම පොදුයි. 2 times 3 2 times 4. That's why we take 2 as common factor. I take down it. After that, seventh one. We are discussing grade 7 and 8 things. Huh? This one. 9. Sorry. 9x, 9x. Huh? 9x plus 12y. Can we factor in out any value from both? What is your idea? Make it pull one. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, now what is the value? No. Your idea is no. But Pudha, in this one also we can take. Pudha, 9 mean I can write 3 times 3. But 9 million पर 2 मरब 2. 12 I can write 4 times 3. Sorry, 3 times 4. I write that way. 2 मरब का 12 2 मरब 3 9. We can take 1 3 from both. Then I will 2 nak kina hai. If I take 3, if I take 3, if I take 3, Pudha, another 3 and x is remaining. 3x. බලන්න මේක අනිත් පැත්තට multiply කරලා 3 times 3x මොකද 9x එනවා නේද 3 times 3 9x middle value is plus දැන් මේ 12x වලින් පුතේ 3 ගෙනාවා නම් මේ 12 බෙදන්න 3යි ඒතකොට 4ක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා නම් remaining value is 4y මේ තුන ගත්තාම මේ 4යි මේ y ඉතුරු වෙනවා 4y you can see 3 times 3x 9x ඒක හැදෙනවා 3 times 4y 3 times 4 12 12y හැදෙනවා then this is correct. Is it clear? Clear and raise hand karan. Please raise your hand. Pahadilo na raise hand karan. Yes. Okay. I take down it also. Right, Pudha. Now turn page number 70. Pitu hatta perlan. Review exercise is there. Pudha, review exercise mean you know that this part, this knowledge belong to grade previous grades. That means grade 6 or 7 or 8. This part not belong to grade 9, no? Actually belong, but that theory part was discussed in previous grades. Right, Balan, read the question, write review exercise. Write each of the following algebraic expressions as a product of factors. Product of factors. First one, 8x plus 12y. Balan පුතේ දෙන්නම ගත්තාම කවුරු හරි එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Can we factor in out any value? Yes or no? Your idea. 8 ඉන්නවා 12 ඉන්නවා. කවුරු හරි එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? Yes or no? Pudha, when we consider about 8 I can write this manner 4 times 2. Always we have to try to take higher value. ලොකුම එක්කෙනා එළියට ගන්න try කරන්න ඕනේ. 12 I can write this manner 4 times 3. Now 4 times 2x 4 times 3. දැන් පුතේ 8 ලියන්න පුළුවන් 4 වරක් 2 විදිහට 12 ලියන්න පුළුවන් 4 වරක් 3 විදිහට. Then both have 4 as common factor. Then I can factor in out 4. 4 එළියට ගත්තාම පුතේ දැන් ඔය 8 බෙදන්න 4ෙන් 8 divided by 8 බෙදන්න 4ෙන් what is the value 2 එහෙනම් 2x දැන් 12 බෙදන්න 4ෙන් උතර 3ක් ඉතුරු plus 3 Now you can check your answer. Then what answer check what is the method? If you remove the bracket again, I make remove 4 times 2x 8x 4 times plus 3y plus 2y. You obtain previous answer. Here check you can check your answer that meant. Right. This is first one. No need to write this part. Huh? Directly you can take the value. බලන්න හැම එකකීම පොදු එක්කෙනා කවුද? Grade 8 knowledge. This part belong to grade 8. Huh? Next one. 9a plus 18. This one part A. This is part B. 18 1. 9a. Make a 9. Make a. Try to factorize it. බලන්න කවුරු ඔයාලට එලිට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා according to your knowledge 9යි 18යි ගැන හිතලා කවුරුහරි එලිට ගන්න බලන්න. Just like this one. Then I need your answer. What is the suitable value to take in front of the bracket? To take in front of the bracket. වරහණෙන් එළියට ගන්න. ගැලපෙන value එක මොකක්ද? 9 and 18 are there. 9 8යි තමයි numbers වෙන්නේ. කවුද ගන්න පුළුවන්? Which value can be taken as a factors of these two terms? Which value? 9 and 18. පුතා 18 I can write 9 times 2 විදියට නේද? මෙතන 9 times 1. Again 9 ම තමයි ගන්න පුළුවන්. We can take 9 from both. If I take 9 from first one, remaining value is 8. If I take middle sign is plus. 18 is there. The heart of the 9 times 2 පුතා. එහෙනම් 2y is remaining. දැන් 9 එළියට ගත්තාම පුතේ 18 දෙකට 18 9න් බෙදන්න. එතකොට දෙක ඉතුරු වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි මෙතෙන් දාන්නේ. In your mind you can divide 18 by 9. Then remaining value is 2. 2y then. In this one we can take, if you take 9 then you can divide 9 by 9. Then value is 1. 1 mean 1, a mean a. These are very easy. Okay. The main English medium mathematics in main thing is language. Without English language, very difficult to continue grade 9, 10, 11 things. Grade 6, 7 English medium very easy. I have තේරෙනවා අප්පා මාර දෙයක් නෑ ලේසි කියලා. දැන් ලොකු පන්ති වෙනකොට ගොඩාක් English ඕනේ. There are so many new words are there. Then you have to join good English class as well as good English class. English is the main key of the English medium mathematics. Not only mathematics, science and other English medium subjects. English language එක නැතුව English medium කරන්න බෑ. Actually, I explained it's both Sinhala and English because of your knowledge, right? That's why. Then try to improve your knowledge, language quickly. That is very helpful for you. Right. Put up part C. Banana C කොටස. 3m plus 6. Can we take any value from these two terms as a common factor? කවුරු හරි වරහණෙන් එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. 3m 6. We can take 3. පුතා 3m means 3 times m. 6 means 6 times 2. Sorry, 3 times 2. Both have 3. Then I can take 3. Remaining value is m. If we take 3 from 6, plus 2 is remaining. A, B, C, D now. What is the D? 20a minus 30b. Try to factorize this one. Try to take any value from these two terms as a common factor. I give 1 minute for you. $20A minus $30B. What is the suitable value that can be taken from these two by considering these two terms, 20A minus 30B? But for that 20A, I can write 10 times 2B. 30 commonly 10 times 3 විදියට. එහෙනම් පුතේ මේකට 10 තියෙනවා මේකට 10 තියෙනවා. දෙන්නම 10 වලින් බෙදෙනවා. Then I can take 10 as common factor. 10 times then 20 බෙදන්න 10 වලින් කීයද දෙකයි. 2b කියලා ලියන්න මේ 2a කියලා. a is the unknown term. Middle sign minus. 3 we can take 3 then 30 divided by 10 means 3 is the remaining value 3b. A, B, C, D, E. Part E. No. E you can do. Now I take G. G part G. Same review exercise. 3A plus 15B. 3A plus 15B minus 2A. But in this one, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 terms now. Now we have to take in this kind of expression also we can factor in out one value. Any value from these 3 of how many. Don't think about the number of terms in the expression. If all of them have common factor, you can factor in out. හිතන්න මේකේ පද කීයක් තිබ්බා terms කීයක් තිබ්බා හිතන්න ඕනේ. You have to find out what is the common term for that 3. බලන්න මේක 3 I can write 3a. 3a I can write 3 times a. 15b I can write 3 times 5 times b. 12 I can write 3 times 4. බලන්න මේකේ 3 ඉන්නවා මේකේ 3 ඉන්නවා මේකේ 3. Then I can factor in out 3. 3 ගන්න පුළුවන්. 3 ගත්තොත් පුතේ what is the remaining value? Only a. මේ 3 ගත්ත කියන්නේ a ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. මේකෙන් 3 ගත්තොත් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? 5b. This sign plus 5b. This sign minus. Making 3 got only 4. Remaining value is 4. Then 3 times a plus 5b plus minus 4. Right now, j, k, you can, sorry, G, H you can do. Now we can take I. Kan I එක 9 minus 3b minus 6c. Make කරන්න බලන්න 9 minus 3b minus 6c. 9 minus 3b minus 6c. 9 minus 3b minus 6c. Right. Now how many terms are there? 3 terms. What is the suitable value that we can take? What is the suitable value that we can take as a common factor of these 3 numbers? Balan 9 can I can write 3 times b with you. 3b I can write 3 times b. 6c how I can write 2 times, sorry, 3 times 2 times c. Now I can take 3. If I take 3 from 9, what is the remaining value? Again 3. Minus is there. If I take 3 got mama, what is the remaining value? Only b. B with the next value minus. Minus 3 times 2c, no? 3 times 2c mean if I take 3 from 6, remaining value is 2z. Right. Okay. Right, this time for you. Now j, ij. Minus 12x plus 4y. Minus 12x plus 4y. Do it now. I need the answer from you for this question. I need the answer from you. Right, this one. What is the taking value? Minus 12x plus 4y. Isn't it? Minus 12x plus 4y. In this one, Puta, you can see 4 is there. Methana, I can write minus 12x. I can write this many. Minus 4 times minus 3 times 4x. 4 times x. This one 4y. 4 times 1. Then again 4 we can take 4. 12 we can write 3 times 4. Then if I take 4 minus 3x. Then 12 again. 12 divided by 4 means 3 minus 3x plus y because we took this 4. 4 times minus 3x plus y. Right? Now I go to clean the board. Right. Now we will see this one. Minus 8a minus 4b minus 4b minus 4b minus 8a minus 4b, both minus. Then I can take minus value as common factor. Minus 8a minus 4b. What is this letter? K. Part K. K kotas. May minus 8 I can write minus 2 times. Sorry. Minus 4 times 2 times a 2. This one I can take minus 4 times b. Then I can take minus 4 as factor. So if I take minus 4, what is the remaining value is 2b. 2b. 2a. If I take minus 4 in this one, plus b is remaining. Balanna b. Then now minus. This term also minus, this term also minus. Minus 8a minus 4b. If we take minus value, what happened? Both two terms become plus. Plus. Minus you can check your answer. Minus 4 times 8a minus 8a. Minus 4 times 2a minus 8a. Okay. Minus 4 times plus b means minus 4b. Then your answer is correct. If you factor in out minus value, what happened? Signs are changed. Signs are minus value bracket these signs of the old terms are changed. This one minus, this one plus. This one also minus, then this one also plus. Minus value ka sign change. Right. Please remember that part. When we are factoring out minus value, what happened? In the bracket, all the terms, all the signs of the terms are changed. If plus is there, that is changed as minus. If minus is there, then that is changed as plus. Okay. After K, I take M. AB minus AZ. AB minus AC. AB minus AC. AB minus AC. Now in this one, A times B minus A times C. Make it make it. So that value is not a constant value. That is not a number, but we can factor in now. I can take A as factor. Then remaining value of the first term is B minus middle sign. Then making A got again only remaining value is C. You can check your answer. A times B, AB. A times minus C minus AC. Right now, after M, this is O. AB plus AC minus AB. බලන්න මේ හැම එකේම A තියෙනවා. AB AC AD. Then you can take A. වට A එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. How to take? If I take A, remaining value is B of the first term. This sign plus. If I take A, remaining value is C. If I take A, this sign minus minus. That's all. Very easy. There's no big thing to think. ලොකු දෙයක් නෑ හිතන්න. Right, now I take P. P 3x plus 6xy. 3x plus 6xy. How can I factorize this one? 3x plus 6xy. 3x plus 6xy. X plus 6xy. You can see 3x plus 6xy means we will try to take value 3x. I can write 3 times x. This one 2 times 3 times, sorry, 2 times 3 times x times y. බලන්න පුතේ, when we consider about this one, 3 common for both. 3 common में x also common. X would common දෙන්නටම. මේ 3 common, x would common. Then I can take 3x total term. If I take total term 3x in this one, remaining value is 1. අපි මෙතන තියෙන term එක පුතේ එළියට ගත්තොත් එක තමයි ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. 3x times 1 again 3x no, right? Plus. But 6 we took 3, then remaining value is 2. We took this x also, then remaining unknown term is y. 2. එළියට ගන්න එක්කෙනා තීරණය කරන්න පස්සේ එයා එළියට ගත්තට පස්සේ ඉතුරු වෙන කවි මේ 3x මේ එළියට ගත්තොත් පුතේ ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 1. 3 times x 3x again we obtain. I think you can practice it now. I take down it. Right. P, after P, I take to the Q. Right. Yes, I take Q. 6AB minus 9BZ. Okay, without practicing this one, you can't continue the lesson. Practice is the main thing to understand the mathematics. Without practicing, very difficult to learn mathematics. Right, 6, 9. Then you know that you can take 3. If you take 3, right, 3 as well as this one have A and B, this one have B and C. B both have B. Then adam B තියෙනවා අපිට B ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. 3 ගත්තොත් පුතේ 2 තමයි ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 6 වලින්. ඒ 3 times 2 නේ 6, 2 ඉතුරුනා. B ගත්ත only A is remaining. Minus දැන් පුතේ 3ක් ගත්ත 9 වෙන්න නම් තව කීයක් ඕනද? We need another 3. Then 3 times 3 9 හැදෙනවා. B ගත්තනේ එළියට. එහෙනම් remaining unknown term is very easy. එළියට ගන්න එක තීරණය කරලා ඒක අයින් ඒ ටික අයින් කරලා අයින් ටික ලියන්න bracket එකේ with sign. That's all. After Q, S, x cubed plus 2x, x cubed plus 2x. The x cubed meaning of it, x cubed mean x times x, x multiplied 3 times with x. යාගේම තුන් පාරක් ගුණ වෙලා x times x, x cubed. That means we can take x. I can write the x times x, this one 2 times x. එහෙනම් අපිට x එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. x එළියට ගත්තොත් පුතේ තව x times x ඉතුරු. ඒ කියන්නේ x squared ඉතුරු. That means if we take x ගත්තොත් එළියට මේ දෙන x times x ඉතුරුයි. පුතා x times x mean x squared. එහෙනම් x times x squared තමයි x cube වෙන්නේ. මේ x එළියට ගත්තා නම් x squared ඉතුරු. x squared plus 2, we took that x, then 2 is remaining. X times x squared plus 2 are the factorization answer of the x cubed plus 2x. Right. After S, we can discuss U. There are so many remaining questions of that review exercise. Please complete them as homework. 6S, 6S minus 12S squared T. 6S minus 12S squared T. 6x minus 12 squared T. Now you can see, you can take 6 as well as you can take S. Then remaining value is 1 minus 12 another 2 is remaining because 6 times x 12. S is S squared is there, we took 1 less, then another S is remaining because S times S ne S squared mean S times S. එක S එකක් ගත්තා නම් තව S එකක් ඉතුරු x squared. 1 is remaining, another T also there. 6x times 1 minus 2 ST is the answer. Right. Okay. So that's the end of the review exercise. We discussed so many questions. Now we will move to grade 9 things. Write down this subtopic. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Write down that subtopic. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. With 4 terms. With 4 terms. factors of algebraic expressions with four terms. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Factors of algebraic expressions with 4 terms. Factors of algebraic expression with 4 terms. පුතේ දැන් අපි කතා කරන්නේ කොහොමද factorize කරන්නේ algebraic expression එකක් with 4 terms කියන්නේ to be a algebraic expression with 4 terms there should be 4 terms. That means there should be 3 additions or subtractions. Right. Now Now, I take this example. Example number 1. Ax plus bx plus ay plus by. බලන්න පුතේ ax plus bx plus ay plus by. Ax one term, bx another term, ay another term, by last term. Then in this expression, how many terms are there? 4 terms. To be 4 terms, there should be plus or minus, addition or subtraction, 4 signs. 3 signs. එකතු කිරීම හරි අඩු කිරීම හරි විදිහේ signs තුනක් තිබ්බොත් තමයි terms හතරක් තියෙන්නේ. 1 2 3 there are 3 addition signs and there are 4 terms. Now when we consider about total 4 terms, can we identify any common factor? බලන්න මේ හතරම ගැන සැලකුවොත් පුතේ අපිට common කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Do we have common one? Ax මේක ඉන්නේ a සහ x විතරයි, මේකේ b සහ x විතරයි, මේකේ a සහ y විතරයි, මේකේ b සහ y විතරයි. There are no common factor for both for these 4 terms. හතරම සැලකුවොත් there are no common factor. මේකේ a ඉන්නවා, මේකේ නැහැ. This one have x, this one have x, but in this one there are no x. Then when we consider about 4 terms together, we can't see any common factor. අපි හතරම සලකුවොත් common factor එකක් නැහැ. We can't see any common factor. Then what we should do? පුතා I can consider these 2 terms separately. මම මේ දෙන්න වෙනම සලකලා I can factor them out. When I consider about these 2 terms only, we can see ax mean a times x, bx mean b times x. එහෙනම් පුතේ මේ දෙන්නටම පොදු කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. How? X. Then I take x. Remaining one is a. මේකේ x ගත්තාම ඉතින් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? b. Now plus I put this plus for this place. මේකේ පුතේ බලන්න ay plus by. Are there any common term? Common factor for ay plus by. දෙන්නටම y තියෙනව නේද? Then I can take y. Then remaining value is මේ y ගත්තොත් a ඉතුරු වෙනවා. මේ y ගත්තොත් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? plus b. Now you can see same bracket you obtain for both. දැන් බලන්න එකම bracket එක තමයි ඔයාට ආවේ. a plus b, a plus b. Now you can take that bracket as one factor. එකම bracket එක ආවනේ, එකම bracket එක ආවනේ, එක bracket එකක් විදිහට ගන්නවා. Then you can take this x and this plus y, then you can arrange another bracket. බලන්න මේ දෙක වෙනම සැලකුවා. මේ දෙක වෙනම සැලකලා කවුද එළියට ගත්තේ? x one. එතකොට bracket එකේ ඉතුරුනවා a plus b. x ගත්තාම පුතේ මෙතනින් මේ term එකෙන් x ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? plus a විතරයි. මේ term එකෙන් x ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? b විතරයි. plus b. ඒක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ plus b. මේකෙන් පුතේ y ගන්නවා අපි එළියට. එතකොට කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? y. a. මේකෙන් y ගත්තම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? b. මේ a plus b. එතකොට a plus b කියලා same bracket එක ආවා. Then you can write one of it as one factor. Then x මෙතන ඉන්නවා එයා දාලා එකයි, මේ plus y දාලා තව bracket එකක් හදනවා. Then these two are the factors of this algebraic expression with 4 terms. මේ දෙක තමයි එයාගේ factors වෙන්නේ. Right, take down it as first example. This is your second one. Ax plus ay plus 3x plus 3y. දැන් ඔයා මේ දෙක සලකලා එකක් එළියට ගන්න, මේ දෙක සලකලා එකක් එළියට අරගෙන බලන්න. I give 1 minute for you because I discuss so many examples in this previous exercise. I discuss so many. Right, ax plus ay plus 3x plus 3y. බලන්න ax plus ay. පුතේ මේකදී අපිට එළියට ගන්න පුළුවන් කාවද? මෙයා a ඉන්නවා මෙයා. මේ දෙන්න විතරයි මම සලකන්නේ. Only I consider these two. Then I can take a. a ගත්තොත් පුතේ මෙතනින් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? Only x. මේකෙන් a ගත්තොත් කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? y. No matter plus. මේකෙන් මම ගන්නවා මෙයාටත් 3 ඉන්නවා මෙයාටත් 3 ඉන්නවා. Then I can take 3. 3 ගත්තාම මේකේ 3 ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? x. මේකේ 3 ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? plus y. Now you can see same bracket. එකම bracket එක ආවේ නේද? ඒක එකක් ලියන්න. x plus y. තව bracket එකක් ලියන්න. මෙයා දාලා මෙයත් එක්ක plus 3. Very easy. Roman number 2. Right, now we can take this is the first question of the exercise 6.1. Now I am going to take part B of the exercise 6.1. Ax minus 80 plus 3x minus 24. Right, now ඉස්සරව මොකද කරන්නේ? මේ දෙන ax මේ දෙන කන්සිඩර් කරලා එක්කෙනෙක් එළියට ගන්න. මේ දෙන කන්සිඩර් කරලා වෙනම තව එක්කෙනෙක් එළියට ගන්න. බලන්න ax plus ax minus 8a. පුතේ මෙයාටත් a ඉන්නවා මෙයාටත් 8a ඉන්නවා. එහෙනම් අපි a එළියට ගමු. මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ කවුද? a එළියට ගත්තාම x. මෙතන තියෙන sin එක minus. මෙතන a එළියට ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? 8. දැන් මේකෙන් බලන්නකො 3x මෙතන ඉන්නවා 24. I can write 3 times 8 within, name. Then I can take this 3 plus 3. 3 got to method 3 only x. this sign minus මේ 3 ගත්ත කියන්නේ කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ 8. Now you can see same bracket. When you are completing this step, always in this kind of question, when you are completing second step, you obtain same bracket. සමාන bracket එක දෙන්නට වෙනවා මේ 8x minus 8 x minus 8. Then you can write one of it as one factor. Then by taking other two terms, you can arrange another factor. A මෙතන කවුද ඉන්නේ plus 3. This is the answer. Part B. Now you can start C. MP minus MQ minus NP plus NQ. Same exercise, part C. First question, part C. Right. MP minus MQ minus NP plus NQ. MP minus MQ minus NP plus NQ. You can consider these two terms and you can factorize. You can factor in out common factor by considering the other two. Third and fourth terms also you can factor in out another term. බලන්න MP MQ කවුද පොදු M අකුරු පොදුයි මේ. Then you can take M. M ගත්තාම කවුද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ P. This sign minus. I took this M, then remaining value is Q. In this one, put the N and N common, but I take minus N because this one sign is minus. P. This sign plus, but I told that if you factor in out minus value, man Q ඔයා minus value එකක් එළියට ගත්තොත් මෙතන තිබ්බ sign එක මාරු වෙන්න ඕනේ. plus තිබ්බොත් මේක minus වෙන්න ඕනේ. As well as පුතා you should this මේ bracket එකම මෙතන එන්නත් ඕන නිසා මෙයා minus කරන්න පුළුවන්. Remember that one. If you take minus value as the common factor, the signs of the other terms are changed. This one minus become plus, this one plus become minus. Now P minus Q, same bracket. Then you can write P minus Q one factor, other one M minus N. Right. දැන් පුතේ ගන්න බලන්න C ට පස්සේ D part D AK plus AL plus BK plus BL. AK plus AL minus BK minus BL. බලන්න මේ දෙක සැලකුවාම කවුද කොමන් A නේද? A එළියට ගමු. K plus L. මේ අතරින් K ඉතුරු නම් මේ එකතු කිරීමයි මේ L එක ඉතුරු. දැන් මේකෙන් කවුද එළියට ගන්න මම minus B ගන්නවා. මෙයාත් minus B මෙයාත් minus B. එතන පුතේ ඉතුරු වෙනවා K මම ගෝ minus කෙනෙක් එළියට ගත්තොත් මෙතන sign එක මාරු කරන්න ඕනේ. plus වෙනවා. K plus L. B ගත්තාම L ඉතුරු වෙනවා. K plus L K plus L. K plus L K plus L. Same bracket. Then you can write one K plus L one factor, other one A minus B. මෙයාගේ එක උත්තරයක් ගන්න මෙයයි මෙයා දාලා තව උත්තරයක්. A minus B. Right now E. Next one E. ඊළඟට E අපුව. X squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. Right. Now do it. මේ දෙන්න සලකලා එක්කෙනෙක් එළියට ගන්න. By considering these two, you can factor in out another one. Right, hurry up and complete it. Right, we will see. බලන්න පුතේ දැන් x squared plus 4x. කවුද මේ x squared කියන්නේ මොකක්ද පුතේ? x times x කියන එක නේද? x ගේම multiplied වෙනවා. Yeah, we can 4x mean 4 times x. Then I can take x එළියට ගත්තා. x squared වලින් x එළියට ගත්තාම 1x is remaining plus 4. Minus 3x minus 12 දෙන්නම් minus ना I can take minus 12 mean පුතා 3 times 4. Then I can take minus 3. x minus 3 ගත්තොත් මේ sign එක මාරු කරන්න පුළුවන්. Minus is there, you have to change it as plus. Plus 4. Same bracket. X plus 4 one bracket, one, another one x minus 3. That is part E. After E, you can see F. Y squared minus 7y minus 2y plus 14. Right, complete it. You can consider these two separately, and you can try to find common factors for first two terms and other two terms separately. right? We will see it. Y squared minus 7y. Y squared means y times y. Then we can take 1y. Y minus 7. May y gattam 7 tamai tulu. Then I can take minus 2. Now minus 2 elida ganna. So y if I factor in out minus minus kenek clear ga to manko metana sign එක මාරු කරන්න. Minus 14 mean 2 times 7. This 7 is remaining because we took this 2 as factor. Now you can see y minus 7, y minus 7, same factor. Y minus 7. Other one, y minus 2. May I දාගෙන තව එකක් හදන්න. Okay. Right. This is f. After f, you can see. Now I take the h. Please complete G as homework. Now we will take h. B squared plus 5b minus 2b minus 10. B squared plus 5b minus 2b minus 10. Right. You can consider these two separate. මේ දෙන්න වෙනම සරකලා කවුරු එළියට ගන්න b squared mean b times b එයා යාගේ multiply කරනවා b squared කියන්නේ. Right, we will see first two terms b squared plus 5b. I can take b එළියට ගන්න. එතකොට පුතේ b remaining plus 5. මෙයාගෙන් b ගත්තාම 5 විතරක් ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ. Now I take minus 2b minus 10 mean I take minus 2. Then b මේ minus එකක් එළියට ගත්තොත් මේක sign එක මාරු වෙනවා plus විදිහට 5. b plus 5 b plus 5. මොකද පුතේ මෙතන bracket එකම බය නැතුව මෙතන ලියන්න. No need to think about it. b plus 5 නම් මෙතනත් b plus 5 වෙන්න ඕනේ හරියට හැදුවා. Then b plus 5 one factor, other one b minus 2. That is h. After h, you can start I. I discuss so many questions now because I want to practice you. Then please do these things again as at home. I ගෙදරදී මේ ටිකම හදපුවම ආයි හදන්න. You can take separate paper without looking writing book. Without looking writing book, you can do them. When you feel difficult, you can check your answer again. Like that manner, you can practice. ඔයා දැන් ආයි ගෙදරදී මේ වෙලේම හවස රැ වෙලා ආයි මේ ගණන් ටික තනියෙන් හදන්න. අමාරු වගේ නම් ආයි මගේ උත්තරේ බලන්න. බල that manner you can practice. When we are practicing so many, when you are writing this, when you are finding answers, these kind of at least 5 or 6 questions, surely you can identify the method. Right. 5 plus 5x, then I can take 5. Then only 1 is remaining because 5 is there, we took 5 also. Then 1 is remaining plus x. Make 5 gattan. Then I can take minus y because this term and this one both minus. That's why I took minus value. Minus y if we took y, 1 is remaining. If we factor in out minus value, middle sign change as this manner. And we took this y, then x is remaining. 1 plus x, 1 plus x. You know, 1 plus x, 1 factor, 5 minus y, another one. 5 minus 1. That is I. Sorry. Yes, I. Finally, we are going to discuss last question of this one. I, then J. 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 Last one. AX minus A minus X plus 1. Right. Try to do this one. I give 2 minutes for you. Last one. Then please think about this one step by step. Try to find the answer. May then salakala balanda how delete ganna puluwan kiyala. By considering these two, what is the value that you can take? Ax minus A minus X plus 1. Right? Ax minus A minus X plus 1. You can see Puta Ax minus A. Then you can factor in out A. Then if you take A, X is remaining. Minus, they making A magatta, then 1 is remaining. Minus X plus 1. Puta, you can see X and 1, there are no common factor. Then actually common factor is there. What is that? X. Not X, 1. So the X gay 1 gay common factor 1. Then I can take minus, I take minus 1. Then X is remaining. Minus you have to change the sign. It's minus x minus 1 common factor. X minus 1 one bracket, A minus 1 other bracket. Right. Then that is end of the exercise. There are less number of remaining questions are in this one. But so we discussed so many of the exercise 6.1. Now listen to me. This is 6th lesson. Turn page number 70 again. Review exercise is there. In review exercise, we discuss so many questions. Then we recall all the things that belong to grade 6, 7, and 8 quickly. After that, I start this part. The factors of algebraic expression with 4 terms. With 4 terms, and we discuss so many questions of the exercise 6.1. Listen to me now. Please do discuss things again and again. You can take separate paper and you can find answer for part A without observing, without checking my answer, you can do it again. Then if you feel difficult, you can check my answer and you can do it again. Likewise, you can do these things again and again. Practice is the main thing to improve your maths. No, not only maths, but also other all subjects. But mathematics mean practice. Right? As well as you can follow YouTube videos of DP Maths. There are so many English medium videos are there in DP Education English Medium Maths channel. You can follow it also. Good lecture, madam is there. You can understand things that discuss in that video also. You can use so many sources to learn. Right? When you consider about our phone, now we can learn from our phone. Phone because so many sources are there. YouTube and other so many WhatsApp groups as well as web channels and so many things. Then main thing is learn, Don't think about the method of the learning. Try to learn using any method, right? Right. We discussed so many things. Next day we are going to discuss about factors of trinomial quadratic expressions. Factors of trinomial quadratic expression. That is the heart of this lesson, not heart of this lesson. මේක තමයි පුතේ මේ පාඩමේ හදවත. Very important part. Next day we will continue that part, and next day we can complete this lesson also. And I plan to start before 7th lesson, puta. Before 7th, that means axiom. Before the axiom lesson, I'm going to discuss percentage, because we ignore that one at that time. We ignored that one for Magaria because of your knowledge. Then after discussing this lesson, I hope that now you can simplify so many questions. Then I try to discuss percentage lesson after this 6th lesson. That means before the axiom 7th lesson, I plan to start percentage. Then 7th lesson within next month. That means after September, I hope that we can complete part 1. I hope that. I don't know exactly what happened in next 4 days. We will try to complete this one, but for the grade 9 mathematics, somewhat difficult to understand, because I know that because of the pandemic you couldn't able to complete all the lessons that in grade 8. ඔයාලා 7 වසරේ ඉඳන් පුතේ 8 වාරයේ හරියට ඉගෙන ගත්තේ 8 ගොඩක් දේවල් ඔයගොල්ලෝට මිස් වුණා. That's why this doubt is there. 8 දේවල් මගේ ඇරිච්ච නිසා දැන් 9 දී ගොඩක් අමාරුයි වගේ දෙන්නේ maths. Then try to complete that grade 8 part as well as 9. Always in each and every lesson, always I discuss previous knowledge thing before the grade 9 part. මම කලින් පන්තියේ දේවල් ටික පොඩ්ඩක් කතා කරලා තමයි ඔයාට grade 9 වලට එන්නේ. That is the method of teaching, my teaching method, right? Then because of the time 6:32 now, I'm going to wind up today's session. Next day, next September, new month, we will try to meet next September. Goodbye, Lord bless you, have a nice day and good night, as well as stay safe with your family members. Goodbye.